The volume of microphone on Windows 10 can be adjusted easily. Want to learn how to adjust volume of microphone on Windows 10? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So, to adjust microphone volume, first of all, right-click on the Start button, click on Settings, click on System. On the right part, click on Sound. As you do it, you can see here's a master volume. You can simply change the volume and increase it up to the level that you want it to just by dragging it from left to right, just like this. So you can see you can even adjust the volume just like this. And next one is to click on the sound control panel on the right. As you do it, you will get an option of speakers. Click on recording. Here on this recording section, you can see microphone array. So as I speak, you can see that the level of microphone going up. Right click on microphone array, click on properties, click on levels. So here you can increase or decrease the volume just by dragging the sliding bar of this microphone array from left to right or right to left. So to do it, you can increase it up to maximum, and even you can boost it. Here, increase or decrease it. And when you're done doing it, click on OK on the bottom. Click on OK again, and you can go back and find out that the microphone volume on your Windows 10 has been adjusted successfully. So this is how you do it. I hope this video is really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.